Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Kurniati Lestari with student number 2523019. Okay, today we're gonna talk about syllables. What is syllables? The meaning of syllables is that part of a word that contains sounds or phonemes in a word. It usually has a vowel is in. You can often find syllables in a word that when you open and close your mouth. Let's try to find a syllables. For example, dog and pencil. How many syllable is it? That dog has one syllable. Dog. Only one sound. Produce. And pencil. Pencil. Pencil has two syllables because the product sounds is two sounds. Pencil. For some example like beautiful, government, and happy. How many example is it? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. That has three syllables. Government, 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 government. That has three syllables. And happy, happy has two syllables. First, happy, happy, happy. Okay guys, clear about material syllables. I hope you got my point. Okay, and see you next video. Bye bye.